Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how durable are these LED lights. And here I have one excellent LED lights from this Volkswagen car, and then we can see that how well these LED lights works when I connect these cables to my battery. This is like plus side area, and now we can see that LED works great. They have really nice this LED lights, and now I think that what happens if we broke some of these. Okay, and there are my cutting pliers, and next I think that I like to little bit cut this my LED light like in smaller, and I start this my job in here in this area, and we can see in there these small LED lights in there. And now I planned there is this circuit board in there, and now I think that what happens if I cut this my LED light area, and this seems that this is very durable, but I need now some better cutting device. Okay, and there is this my LED light, and here is my metal shaft, and I cut now this my LED light circuit board, and let's look at how this LED lights works then. Okay, cool. Okay, now it's cut. Now we can see that this circuit board is now broken, and I can even bend these parts like together, and there we can see these LED lights. And what you think when we look this LED, but how should this work or not? I believe that these things should work when I connect these cables. There is plus and then minus. Okay. And now it happens that this my LED light is dead. Okay, and what we have learned on that thing? At least that this LED light technology, it is quite complex, because now I think that can I test if this LED light works if I reconnect these cables. No any light in here. And how about then in another side? Okay, no, everything is dead. And now that means that these LED lights, they are very sensitive if we broke this circuit board, because in that area, when we look in here, we can see that there's even these resistors and condensators in here, and these parts goes to battery. But now these my LED lights, they are dead, and in here I can take one of these LED lights away, and in that area we can see this really well, what it looks like in that way. And now we can see even closer that this small LED light looks like that, but it can't work without this circuit board. Even that it is so excellent. And now when I broke and I cut my circuit board, now even this one of these LED lights, it is not workable. And there is really in this my brake, like there was many of these, like 20 or 30 pieces. Okay, that kind of information to you. And of course, if I solder these parts together in here, then these lights, they will work after that repair. Okay, that kind of information to you. And thank you for watching.